Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Nandito na. Happy New Year! Nandito na naman po, we have to walk. Ayan, nandiyan yung kasama ko. Ayun. Good morning, Happy New Year. I wish that we all welcome this New Year, 2025 na. Okay. And we're doing the best to make us healthy, that we can have a healthy body, healthy mind and spirit. So, very clean here in the seashore. Maybe the people, they are still sleeping. But me, we exercise. Ito yung kasama ko. Okay, bye. See you later na lang. Kasi inaiwanan na ako na naman ng aking kasama. Bye-bye.